Hello, everybody. Today we're gonna walk you through creation of a role based on our existing task recordings that we've got. So this is the situation when you don't work with executive automats, you simply have security set up without on its own, and you would like to use some pre-recorded task recordings, AXTR files, as the source to create a new role in the system. So this concept actually assumes that we've got a role. Underneath the role, we've got a duty, and duty represents a business process. So if you're going to talk with your key process owners and they're going to distribute you the knowledge, what exactly certain role needs to have from the access perspective, what kind of process they handle, you build all of those processes in the task recordings, you save them, and then you have to go to the security setup wizard in system administration, where we're going to create our accounts payable clerk role. So let's create new child entry. This reflects the organization structure. So we have procurement manager, sales representative, vendor creation, purchase manager. So a lot of different roles. This is some kind of a sandbox for us. I can click and create here a new position. Let's say this will be a session manager. And I'm gonna upload here from task recordings our processes. So let's go back to the documents, the task recordings, and I can go one by one, select these elements. I can include context of the table permissions and controls permissions. So I can extract even more from what user recorded. There are some functionalities to help you out be very effective. And I just need to go through all elements which I wanted to add as a business process. In the new version, we're going to have also multi-select and some advanced filterings. So this is something to come. But now I'm going to go one by one for the processes. So I'm adding here 4 processes. So in a simple understanding, these are 4 processes handled by our session manager. These gonna be all independent duties. And right now, the only thing what I need to do is either create duty for one to one process. So we can have 4 duties, and then out of those 4 duties, we can have one role. Or if I want, there's always an option. We can merge them into the one. So then we're gonna have just one security duty, which combines all of those entry points which were identified by the system. So this is an extraction of what system identified within those processes, and system tells us, all right, to perform those 4 processes, you need to have access in a certain level, with certain level as well regarding read, update, create, correct, delete, and invoke access. So this is everything what I need. Now I'm going to create a duty. This duty we're going to call it session duty. Duty is created. And now I can create a role. When the role is created, it will be automatically published. For the first time, system is doing that for you. We can simply go to the system configuration, to the security configuration, and browse for our role. And as you see, we've got one duty, one role, one privilege, and certain display items, along with references to controls. So quite detailed. You've got everything what you wanted. Now we apply the role to the business user. They do the acceptance test, so they are verifying if they have access to everything what they wanted. If yes, we are doing another iteration with another role and walking through entire organization. We are covering every of those business processes, every of those roles, positions to build a perfect tailored security layer. That's it for today. This and much, much more you can learn about security setup wizard in Dynamics Finance and Operations on our YouTube channel, or stay tuned on LinkedIn for more videos. Thank you so much.